To kick this off, we have to get rid of the square root symbol, so we'll square both sides. The left side becomes 30 minus x, the right side is x squared. And here we are again with an equation that has an x squared term, an x term, and a constant. So we should get one side equal to 0. And it's my strong recommendation to leave this term positive. So I'm going to actually add an x to both sides and subtract 30 from both sides to do that. Even though it's a little bit more work, it does make factoring a little bit easier. Now I'm going to try to figure out two things that multiply to make x squared. That's pretty easy, x and x. Two things that multiply to make 30 and want it so that the inner and the outer combine to make positive 1. So positive 6 and negative 5 will do that. Those are supposed to equal 0, so we'll set each part equal to 0. If x plus 6 equals 0, x will equal negative 6. If x minus 5 equals 0, x will equal 5. And even though we've done all of our math correctly, we still have to plug them back in because you could do all your math right and still get an answer that doesn't work. It does turn out that this will work fine, but the negative 6 will not work. And I'll show you really quickly. If I were to plug it in, we'd have 30 minus negative 6 would equal negative 6. That gives us the square root of 36 equals negative 6, tells us 6 equals negative 6, which is just, it's not true. So you throw that answer out. Plugging in 5, it will work, and you should show both checks.